Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of kit number 40 from the Papercraft Society. These are subscription boxes, but once they've all gone out to subscribers, if there's any boxes left, then they are available for open stock. So as I film this video, there is still stock available of this kit. So if you're brand new to the Papercraft Society, I will link below direct links to the subscription offers and also to the open stock of this box. You can just take out the month-to-month subscription and you can pause that, or you can, cancel it at any time. So you can see in advance the boxes that you're getting, and if it's something you decide you don't want, you could always just pause for that month and then see what's coming next. You can then do 3 months, 6 monthly or yearly as well. And like I said, if they're available for open stock, then you can just purchase as and when you see them. So this one here is beautiful. You've got this gorgeous gold foiling and that green colour. This one's been designed by Sheena. So this is... and I think this is the first box that she's done. So inside it says Queen of Messy Craft and Colour, Sheena. So as always, I like to look inside the envelope first. I do have a playlist of all of the Papercraft Society boxes, and I'll link that up here. So if this is something new to you, check those out, and then you can just see what it's all about. So if you share, or if you make anything using the Papercraft Society, use the hashtag Papercraft Society. So what I'll do is I'll take all the plastic off first. Okay, so we've got these two little rings here, and then you've got all of these look like ATC size cards, so I guess it's for you to do your own colouring on. They all just pop out and then you can pop them through the rings. There is a booklet which tells you all about the contents and inspiration and kind of ideas on how to use it. I'm just going to pop these 4 out just so I can get rid of that piece. So you looks like you've got, what's that, four of those designs, and then 4, these then look plain. So yeah, 2 of that design and 3 of that one, sorry. Okay, and then all these plain ones. Like I said, they do, maybe they're little practice kind of like mini canvases kind of thing, but you've got loads there. That 8, you've got 16 plain ones. Okay, I'm intrigued. Sometimes I do watch the unboxing videos that Lou does on the YouTube channel. I must admit I haven't seen this one, so I genuinely don't know what this is all intended for. You've got these stamp sets here. I love these kind of border ones. They're great for adding depth to your cards. So you've got the trees, you've got the dandelions, you've got this like beach, or I guess it's like the countryside there, the rolling hills, and then you've got the cliffs there with the lighthouse. So you've got, I guess, kind of like different seasons as well, almost. You've got happy retirement, happy birthday. You've got the clouds there with the sun, kite, hot air balloon, dragonfly. You've got a boat there, the bird, and a butterfly there. And then this little set's cute. Happy days are ahead, or happy days ahead, sorry. Have a very happy retirement. Good luck with pastures new. Like a wildflower, bloom anywhere and everywhere. You're the lighthouse in my store. That's a nice sentiment. I've never heard that before. My dad collects lighthouses, so my mum would probably want to pinch this one. Shine, it's your birthday, and congratulations, it's your time to shine. I like that they're all on one line because they're easy to cut out. And then we've got this here, which I have no idea. Again, it looks like some kind of swatch kind of sheet. Yes, I don't know what any of this means, so let's have a little look. So I'm just going to pop all that back in there until I know what I'm to do with it all. Okay, so we've got a little paint palette there. We've got 3 mini inks. We've got more little tags here. Paintbrush. And then 3 pipettes, which is obviously for the inks there. And then we've got our booklet. So this is Sheena. So let's see what we are to do with this. Sheena does use her watercolours all the time and creates these beautiful scenes. You can see just an example there of those 4 scenes that I was saying about. So there's the lighthouse with the grass and the bird, and then she's created that background. And you've got this one here with the trees. You've got that one there with the other tree and the fence, and then you've got this one here with the field and the kite there, which is really cute. Again, you can download extras as well, which is all available on Craft World, and you'll see that if you're a member. A little bit about Sheena and her other collections. Okay, so this is a colour chart that you will create yourself. It's interesting. I've never done my own. I've got my own colour wheels and stuff. So that's to create a colour chart and shows you how to like mix and things. So these, so it says here, I is 10 technique tags. Your essential visual guide to colouring techniques designed by Sheena. Each double-sided tag has both an image of how the technique should look plus step-by-step instructions on how to achieve that look. It's very easy to get muddy colours when you watercolour if you don't know which colours mix, so they're actually quite handy. So yeah, on the back there it tells you exactly, that's probably my favourite. Those are my colours, I love them. That's really nice. They're so bold. I love that one as well, actually. To be fair, I love them all. Anything with that hot pink just draws my eye. I like that. That's quite nice. I do like to make my own backgrounds and blends and things, so that's something really different. And then just some images there that have been coloured. Again, tells you, so that's wet to wet, or wet into wet, sorry, and that one's wet into dry. You just see how different they are there. And then you've got another one. Kitchen cling wrap. Lifting colour when wet. Creating aerial perspective. So you can see there you've got the grass and like the land, and then it goes up into the sky. Faux bleach. Direct to paper cleanup. Salt. I've never used that. I've seen it a lot, but I've never done it. Although tell a lie, I think I did it in school once, because I did do A-level art. Kitchen sponge. And blending with glycerin. Sheena does use glycerin a lot. So that's, yeah, quite interesting. I like that. And then what was the other thing? Those tags. So that was A and B. So they're just plain and printed tags on watercolour cardstock. There we go. Practice your techniques on workable small surfaces. You can then use them both for reference with your handy book rings or as toppers on cards. So they're like little practice cards. That's nice. I like that idea. So let's have a little look. Again, I don't like to give too much away, because if anybody new is watching and would like to get the box, I think it's quite nice for some of the samples to be a surprise. That's quite sweet though, that card, where it's been made using one of the white tags there with that lighthouse image, just tied together with some ribbon. Then it's got that sentiment, you're the lighthouse in my storm. And you've got some other samples here. You can see all those different scenes that have been built up there using the stamps. They're all border stamps, aren't they? They're really sweet. So that's everything inside box number 30 from the Papercraft Society. Like I said at the beginning, all the links to this box and to the Papercraft Society subscriptions will be shared below this video. So check those out. Like I said, if it's something new and you would like to just find out a bit more, have a look, and look at the playlist as well of all the other boxes, just so you get a feel, because they do differ from month to month. The whole point is that it's a different designer bringing a different style to the kits, so that you're not always using or doing the same thing. So it's to kind of get you out of your comfort zone, try something you've maybe never tried before. I really enjoy these, and I love to see what's inside each one. So thank you for watching today. If you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and I'll be back again very soon. Take care. Bye.